Multi-pack of Rubbermaid TakeAlongs rectangular food storage containers. Plastic containers are great for meal prep, lunch, snacks, leftovers, and more. Food storage containers in a variety of sizes have updated, more durable lids in a bright ruby red. Quik Clik Seal lids make an audible click to let you know they're securely closed. Lids have ridges for easy stacking, so they take up less space in your cabinets and fridge. BPA-free, top rack dishwasher-safe, and freezer-safe, base is safe for microwave reheating. Set contains 4 0.5 cup, 4 3.2 cup, 4 2.1 cup, 4 2.9 cup, 4 5.2 cup, 4 4 cup, and 2 8-cup containers, plus lids, for a total of 52 pieces. Store, organize, and pack a variety of foods with these Rubbermaid TakeAlongs food storage containers. Perfect for meal prep, lunch, snacks, leftovers, and more. These containers have updated, more durable bright red lids, while the rich design makes stacking easy. Each plastic container is BPA-free, freezer-safe, and top rack dishwasher-safe, and the bases are microwave-safe for reheating. Top reviews from the United States. Durable. Perfect sizes for any leftovers.